Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, X installed and on path. Next, create a file named main, py with a small print statement so you can see output immediately. Open a terminal, change directory to your project folder, then run Python main. Py. This first action proves the runtime works and it tells you whether path is correct. Once you see the printed message, you've completed the fast verification step and can move on to real code execution. Once the basic run succeeds, isolate dependencies by creating a virtualenv and activating it. This prevents global package conflicts. Then install required packages with pip from requirements. TXT or add single libraries as needed. Use a shebang and executable permission on Unix if you prefer. /script, py or keep Python script. Py for clarity. If your program requires arguments, pass them on the command line and make use of your IDE's run configurations to manage environment variables and working directory. Finish by running your test suite to verify the program behaves as expected. Use pytest or Python munitest. After a successful run, inspect exit codes and logs and add logging for future debugging. If you package or deploy, freeze dependencies with pip freeze requirements. TXT. If things go wrong, start with the error message. Syntax errors point to line numbers. Import errors often mean virtualenv not activated or path issues. Activate the correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.